So guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to create a blind spot game. So open code.org. Now I'm going to explain you the designing of it. Here's a label, and that's the label, and here's the label. Here's the button, which I made a circle by doing some settings and turning down the radius, like increasing the radius made that a circle. So I'm going to set it to 32. Now here are the buttons, just buttons. Drag the button. Now to the code. The code is actually pretty simple. You're gonna first make that the buttons. So on event ID, right? So I put the on event ID block, and I got the position of the X, Y, and the ball. To go up, we should decrease the X value by 10. So to go up, to go down, we should increase the X value by 10. To go right, so we should decrease the X value by -10. To go right now, we should increase the X value by 10. But first create a variable called X and Y. Set the X to 257 and the Y to 46. Now the time loop block, it just loops the block we enter here. When the ball is at the 150's X position, then we should say to left. The button ball's position is more than 200, then say close. Again, if the ball's position is greater than 200, say too far below. If the ball's position is less than 150, say close. Now when the block reaches the X and Y value, you should say that's the blind spot. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.